So today we're ordering Lok Lak, and this one is
Morning Glory with crispy pork.
So today we're ordering Lok Lak.
Loklak is beef, so that's sauteed beef, and then we
With egg,
with egg,
tomatoes, some lals, and rice. As you know, Asian love rice. Rice is life. And this one is
Morning Glory with crispy pork.
crispy pork morning glory. Remember, the vegetable, not your usual morning glory. So again, this is Cambodian food. We're also waiting for another one. What are we waiting for? Curry.
Yeah, chicken
Curry.
something. No, it's not.
No, it's not curry.
It's still called chicken.
So we'll try this one out first. So we'll get our chopstick.
Pass up. Yeah. Let's eat this one.
What is this one?
What's this?
Fish
Lemon?
sauce?
Lemon.
Patis?
This one is loklak.
No, what is this?
Sauce.
Fish? Fish sauce?
No, no fish.
Lemon?
Chili.
Chili.
No, chili.
Pepper?
Pepper. Yeah, pepper.
Pepper and
Salt. And
lemon? Calamansi?
Yeah.
Calamansi.
lemon. And beef.
And patis.
A little bit.
So okay.
Yeah.
Okay, for this one
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is a sauce for the Lok Lak. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Tikman mo na.
Wait lang. You have bowl?
Harap Delicious in fairness. Tita, you should try this one and this one.
I was able to eat.
It's delicious.
Delicious.
Something I have never tasted in the Philippines.
Because you're in Cambodia, so you eat Cambodian food. Huh?
Yeah, so this is Cambodian food. Lok Lak, and this is beef.
Cheers. You can eat cheers.
So this one tastes good. And the other one is a chicken curry. Cambodian style or Thai food style.
What's one number?
Sino yan?
Kaya magda-download ako ng app ko.